Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to solve one very interesting question from radical mathematics. Here we are going to evaluate a plus 2b. If square root 45 plus square root 49 over square root 125 plus square root 121 raised to the power 12 is a plus b square root 5. So let's get started with our given base. I will simplify this base first. So root 45 plus square root 49 over square root 125 plus square root 121. So I can factor 45 as 9 times 5. So let us write root 9 times root 5 plus square root 49 is 7 over. We can factor 125 as 25 times 5. So root 25 times root 5 plus 11. Now square root 9 is 3, square root 25 is 5. So I can write 3 root 5 plus 7 over 5 root 5 plus 11. Now I will rationalize our denominator. So I need to multiply numerator and denominator by 5 root 5 minus 11. So 5 root 5 minus 11. Now in denominator we are having a plus b times a minus b form. So in this place we can write a square minus b square. So our denominator will become 5 root 5 whole square minus 11 whole square. And numerator will be 3 root 5 plus 7, 5 root 5 minus 11. So 5 root 5 whole square. This will be 25 times 5, 125. So I can write here, let me write here 3 root 5 plus 7 times 5 root 5 minus 11 over. This will be 125 minus 11 square is 121. So I can write 3 root 5 plus 7 times 5 root 5 minus 11 over 4. Now we will expand or multiply these two brackets in the numerator. So I can write here 15 times 5. So let me write 75. Then minus 33 root 5. Then plus 35 root 5. And then minus 77 over 4. So 75 minus 77 minus 2. 35 root 5 minus 33 root 5. So I will write 2 square root 5 over 4. 2 will be common. So I can write root 5 minus 1 over 4. Now we can cancel 2 and 4. So 2 will be in the denominator. So finally our base will be root 5 minus 1 over 2. Now I will write our problem here with base root 5 minus 1 over 2 whole power 12 equal to a plus b square root 5. Now we have to simplify our LHS. So I can write here root 5 minus 1 over 2 whole power 12 we can write 4 times 3. So I can write here root 5 minus 1 over 2 whole power 3 and then whole power 4. As per our exponent property, a power b times c, anytime we can write a power c whole power b. Let us expand this. So I can write here root 5 minus 1 whole cube over 8. 2 cube is 8. And then we will consider power 4. Let us expand a minus b whole cube. So a cube 5 root 5 minus b cube 1 minus 3a square b. So I will write 15 plus 3ab square. So plus 3 root 5 over 8 whole power is 4. Now 5 root 5 and 3 root 5. This will be 8 root 5. So I will write 8 root 5 minus 16 over 8 whole power is 4. Now we can divide by our denominator. So root 5 minus 2 whole power 4. Let me write here root 5 minus 2 whole power 4. We can write root 5 minus 2 whole power 2 times 2. Again we will use a power b times c. We can consider a power b whole power c. So I can write root 5 minus 2 whole power 4. This will be equal to root 5 minus 2 whole square and then whole square. Let us expand. So I will consider a minus b whole square formula. A square, so 5 plus b square, so 4 minus 2ab, so minus 4 root 5. This will be with power 2. Now 5 plus 4 is 9 minus 4 root 5 whole square. And this is equal to a plus b square root 5. So let us expand. I will write here 9 square 81 plus 4 root 5 whole square. So 16 times 5, 80 minus 2 times 9 times 4 root 5. So this will give us 161 minus 9 times 4 is 36 times 2, 72 root 5. Now I will equate with a plus b root 5. So 161 minus 72 square root 5. This is equal to a plus b square root 5. Once we will compare both sides, we will conclude a equal to 161 and b equal to minus 72. Now we have to calculate a plus 2b. So I will write a plus 2b equal to 161 plus 2 times b is negative 72. So it is 161 minus 144. So we will get our answer 17. A plus 2b equal to 17. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Till next video, goodbye.